Thunderly queen, thunderly queen, thunderly queen, thunderly queen, thunderly queen, go. Thunderly queen, thunderly queen, thunderly queen, thunderly queen, thunderly queen, go.
This new Airbnb apartment, hotel room, or apartment room that we're in tonight, this apartment, I should say, this Airbnb apartment was something new to me tonight, is an induction stovetop or cooktop. We have one single cooktop with our mini fridge and our microwave and our rice cooker and our water heater. We're supposed to have a sandwich toaster machine in here too, but I'll have to ask the management for that. But I had to watch tonight a YouTube video about induction cooking because I've never actually used induction cooking. I didn't even know what it was. What I learned was that it's magnets, and the magnets interacting with the pan, the coil, and the magnets. Anyway, the pan gets hot, the water gets hot, but the stovetop does not. So you could theoretically lift the pan off of there, and the stovetop is not hot. At least that's what the videos say. Now, this machine is Brazilian, so it has Portuguese words, which, this I learned was for the timer and for the temperature and for the power level. And then this, I guess, is the knob. Now, I learned that induction heating is very quick compared to gas or electric. And so, yes, I learned how to boil water tonight to make pasta. And the water did boil very quickly, and I'm assuming this is 120 degrees Celsius, and water boils at 100. Now, this particular brand of machine, Cadence Perfect Cuisine, is actually a Brazilian company, I guess, because all of the videos that I found are in Portuguese, to learn how to use this machine more efficiently. So I'm going to have to sit down later with some translation to help me understand how to use this machine more efficiently. It only has 3 buttons and 1 knob, so it can't be that complicated. But in any case, at least I got the water to boil. And that's me learning about induction cookware tonight, my first time. And now I'm going to enjoy my pasta with some bolognese.